In this video, I'll be showing you how you can use the i20 Ultra 3 Max Suit earbud and also showing you how you can pair and connect to your phone. So now, as you can see right here, wireless earphones or earbuds is one of the items that comes with this smartwatch i20 Ultra 3 Max Suit. You can see if I open it, then you can see that the earphones or earbud is well properly packaged on a charging case, and this is how it looks. You can see, right? This is the body, and at the bottom right here you will see the charging port or charging point. It comes with a Type-C charger, and this is it right here. Just plug it right here and it will start blinking, means it's charging. You can see. So in case you're new with earbuds or earphones like these wireless earphones, this charging case also helps to charge the earphones inside. For instance, if I open the cover, you can see there are two earphones inside, this and this, and there are slots inside this charging case. You can see. So at this charging case, you can see we have a button right here. This button also helps to on and off the charging case. You can see. So now, for instance, once I press here and hold it, the charging case will get on. Also, if the charging case is on, I can press right here and then turn it off. So you can see, right? Now, how do you pair and connect these earphones or earbuds to your phone? It's very simple. Now bring your phone. I will bring my Techno Android phone. You can see. So right here, I just go to my Bluetooth and on my Bluetooth. I will tap and on my Bluetooth. If I on my Bluetooth, you can see right now it's searching for any earphone, but you can't find it. Why? Because the two earphones are still well slot or placed inside the charging case. That's why my Bluetooth on my phone can't find them. You see, but once I bring these earphones out, you see that my Bluetooth on my phone can't find them. For instance, I'll bring them out. You can see, you can hear a sound, power on. Also bring this one out too. You can see. So now you can see as soon as I brought them out, I have my phone has searched and found the earphones. Look at it here. Use the name of the earphone, TWS, for these two earphones. So you can see now to pair them, just tap right here. If you tap right here, you can see it's pairing. You can see pair with TWS. So just tap on this good icon, then tap on this pair. You can see that it is active. So right now I can start using them. Understand? So I'll use them, put, like for instance, I'll use one of them and put on my ear here, and then maybe play some music and enjoy. So right now I'm playing the music and I can hear it on my earphone. Both this one too, I can hear it. It sounds very, very good. You can see, right? So I will turn off or I will pause it and then go back and I'll bring them right here. You can see, right? So now let me show you how this works. You can see this charging case here. You can charge it on its own. For instance, even without putting your earphones right inside, you can use your charger and then plug it here empty and charge it fully. So this one helps to charge the earphones too. So, and I swear, you can bring your earphones and then slot them properly inside. Once you slot them, you can see there's a light showing. Also bring the other one and then slot them inside. You can see, right? You can see this light, right? So once you cover it, you can also plug it right here and then start charging it. You can see. So this charging case of this earbud helps to charge the two earphones inside, and also even without the earphones you can still charge on its own. Then later you can charge the earphones. It's very simple to use. And also note, always cover it to prevent the two earphones from dropping or falling off. You can see. So that is it. Now as I said, this button here, you can see the light is on. Once I press it, you can see light has gone off. So this button is like an on and off button on the charging case. You see. So guys, that is it. Very simple. Thanks and bye.